Sometimes I get depressed. Sometimes my world is a wreck. Did you know I could think of that way? Did you know I can really understand the way it should be? When you were young, you think you're invincible. When you are young, you think you can do anything. But I'm here to let you know you can't build anything in your life without God in it. No, 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 no. You can't do anything in your life without God in it. You never know the truth. You will never, 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 never get to it. The way that you do the thing you do, you don't want to pull through. You just want to get through life on somebody else looking at you. You don't know that you have everything you need to wow me. You don't know you have everything you need to make me change. I depend on God to show me everything that I need to understand. You help me to see in the end time how you are inside is better than how you are on the outside. Don't judge a book by its cover. What's more valuable is what you believe. Every book has something in it that can change your life if you learn to apply it. Every book has something in it can change all your life around if you let. In the Word of God, the Bible, the soul of the Spirit, will tell you about everything you need to survive. In the Word of God, the Bible, He has what you need to survive. Don't you know? The Lord is there all the time. Let me sing. La 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 la. Lord, la 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 la. La 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 la. Me, I love you. You didn't believe it when I told it to you. You kept on believing what everybody else said. You didn't understand when I looked at you. I knew what was on the inside. God is able. Show me what you can do. God is able to carry you through. Ooh. everything. No need to worry, no need to stress, no need to be perplexed. God can bring you through it all. God has the whole world in His hand. Yes, He do. God has the whole world in His hand. See, when you embark on something like this, you need people to hit the like button. They need to hit the subscribe button. It'll help a whole lot when you share it with somebody else. You see, it's like the gospel. It's no good if you keep it to yourself. You have to share it with somebody else. Gotta let them know God knows your future. Yeah. God knows your future. He knows your future.